Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Sicilium review? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should shop from this store or not, or either this is a legit or a scam portal. As people from United States and Canada are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this portal, so let's check out the details. Sicilium actually launched in market and they come with varied collection of swimwear and legging for men, women, sneakers for men, jackets and coats for women, and they have multiple other products. They offer customer all the latest fashion at an affordable price. Company aim to satisfy customer with high quality product at a very low price, and they dreaming to become a one of the leading e-commerce portal in coming days. Let's check out the specification of the website. It is HTTPS secured website, was registered on 21st October 2020 and it will expire on 21st October 2022. They shared their email address and contact detail, but unfortunately, we have not found their physical address. They are offering worldwide shipping, and the order processing time is about 2 to 5 days. And they have two shipping method. One is standard shipping that needs 12 to 22 business days, and for express shipping, it takes 5 to 8 days for delivery. You can enjoy free shipping if you shop over $89 plus. They are offering 30 days return policy. For refund, they need 3 to 6 business days. Payment methods are Visa card and MasterCard. The positive point of shopping from the store are they have multiple products for men and women both. SSL secured website which ensures secured online transaction. The negative point of Sicilium are the trust score of the website is very poor. It is new in the market. Only two payment methods are available. We are unable to find out authentic reviews for the portal. So the question here arises, is Sicilium an authentic portal or not? So let's check out the detail in depth. Like as we discussed, it was registered on 21st October 2022 and trust score is about 14% even after 1 year. The company mentioned the phone number and email address, but no physical address of the website have been shared. The social media accounts icons are available on product page, but these will not take you company social media portal. No authentic reviews could be traced out, and it contain 25% duplicate contents. It make the website suspicious. As we are discussing that the customer reviews are a great help for us to check out the legitimacy of any online portal, and for this Sicilium.com we are unfortunate that we could not found any authentic review for this website. So by concluding our discussion, we can say that no doubt the company has made an effort to sell varied outfit for their customer worldwide, but due to absence of genuine reviews, we cannot verdict it a legit portal. So we suggest you it's better to stay away from this website. And if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience. Write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.